Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy.
Hi guys, so we're just going to jump right into this tutorial. First off, this is my model. Her name is Asia, really pretty girl. And now we're going to use the micellar water to cleanse her face. So if you watch my previous tutorials, this step is, I always do this step, I never miss it. Next, I'm going to go with moisturizer. This step too, I never miss it. But this particular one, I'm making sure under her eyes are properly moisturized, because in case you didn't know, under your eyes usually drier than your entire face. So I'm making sure I properly moisturize under our eyes, then all over the face. I always do this step. It's whether your skin is oily, whether your skin is dry, always moisturize. Okay, don't. I never actually miss this step. Next up, we're going to go in with my primer. Even if this is, I was going for a dewy look, but I always like to prime so I can control my oil. If you've seen my previous tutorial of how I achieved the dewy skin look on a dark skin girl, if you haven't seen that, you should just go ahead to see that right after watching this one. And now I'm going in with the primer. I'm just buffing everything around her face. And next off, we're going to go in with the setting spray. So this is an illuminating hydrating glow mist by TM Essentials. Really nice. I love how it brings moisture to the face. And I always apply other setting sprays, but this one is my holy grail. Next off, I'm going to go in with No Black Beauty liquid illuminator. I particularly like this liquid illuminator because it's super blendable. If you've watched my other tutorial too, you should actually know a lot about this product. So this product is super amazing, you guys. It blends well. Other, like my previous experiences with liquid illuminators, is that once you put it on the skin, it instantly dries out, so it doesn't even give you time to blend. But this one is just different. So I'm going to go ahead to blend it all over her face, and we'll be back. So this is the skin when skin prep done. So now we're going to go ahead to foundation. You guys can see how the illuminator has blended into her skin. Like, you guys, don't sleep on the illuminator. So I've gone ahead to apply foundation on one side of her face. You can see it's evidently lighter, but this was what matched her neck. So I usually match the neck to the face, not the face to the neck, because her face is darker. And I'm using I think this is a Nuban Beauty foundation. It's either W8 or W6, but this is a Nuban Beauty foundation. I think it's W6. And I'm just going to use my brush to apply it first, then I will go again and blend it all out. So this is it blended out, you guys. Nuban Beauty foundation, like Nigerian brands actually stepping up, and that's why I'm centering my my YouTube channel or the products I use on my page on Nigerian brands, because upcoming makeup artists actually need to cope this. Okay, you cannot sleep on Nigerian brands. I'm using this Nuban Beauty concealer, I think in 045, yeah. So I'm just using to highlight her face, and I'm just going to go ahead to highlight all the corners of the face. So Nuban Beauty concealers usually dry out pretty fast, so you have to make sure you blend really fast. So guys, I'm going ahead to apply a lighter concealer. I usually do this just to give it a little pop, like under the eye. I want under the eye to really pop. And I'm going to go ahead to blend. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, you guys. Hit the subscribe button. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead to blend this in. I'm just going to buff this into her skin. You can see how it is not too light, but it's just okay. It is just right. So yeah. So guys, yeah, so we're done concealing and blending and everything. So I'm now setting her face with her powder shade and a big powder brush. This, I always do this before I go on with contouring, because you don't want your contour powder to just stick first on the foundation. It might pack the product if you don't control your brush well. So it's good for you to set your entire face before going in with contouring. That is if you're doing the powder contour. Yeah, so I'm just setting her face with her powder shade. And next step would be contouring and blush. I'm just going to skip that part because I didn't film it. We were actually rushing, so I had to be done with the tutorial really fast. And I've done contouring, I've contoured her face, and I've used blush. I went for a really strong contour. and strong blush, because like I said, this is an editorial shoot. So I went ahead to do this cut crease eyeshadow, totally out of my comfort zone, but I love it. Now I've not done anything to her brows, by the way. I'll do that one later. But now we're going in with um her lips. So I'm using this MAC lip matte lip stain. It's a pink one, and we're just going for a very natural pinkish look. But initially, when we were ready to shoot this, to do the shoot, when we go to the photographer studio, we actually cleaned it off and just used clear gloss because of how the pictures were coming out. So this is me just using this just the lipstick. I didn't line her, okay, yeah, I lined her lips actually, but just to give it some definition. Now I'm going in with this lip gloss. This is a Nigerian brand too, and it's the Beluster lip gloss in dazzle, yeah, something like that. So I'm going ahead to just apply this and give her lips this luscious look. And yeah, so guys, we're done with that. Now I'm going to go ahead to do the brow. So if you're here now and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, like this video so other people can see it. And yeah, we're going to continue this tutorial. So I'm using this brow pencil very lightly because I don't want the brows to be too defined. Okay, I don't want the brows to be too defined. I like my editorial looks to have a more natural feel, with like something different but really natural. So I'm just going to go ahead um to fill in her brows, fill in the sparse areas of her brows, and just give it like a fuller look. Yeah, so yeah, I'm done with that. I just did that. Are you guys, this reverse contouring thing that people do, I honestly don't know, because blending it out, I had to buff out. Now I'm buffing out the setting powder. But you guys, blending this thing out was like, whoa. Under the eye was pretty easy, but you guys, like the powder below the contour, I'm just happy it was an editorial look, so it kind of made it seem like, okay, it was intentional. I wanted a full, like a very contoured look, but this, my reverse contouring, the powder just decided not to come off. I tried, I blended it, it decided not to just come off. So if you guys are going to do reverse contouring, I don't know, I don't really advise it, but yeah, just be very careful with that. Now I'm going in with this highlighter. This is a Bobbi Brown highlight in I can't remember, but this is a Bobbi Brown highlight. I'm just going to go ahead to do that because I want everything to pop. Every single thing must pop. And if you notice the eyes, I went ahead to put like shimmer in a tear duct and use mascara, and you can see how healthy the skin is looking. That is actually how I love my skin to look. And I'm just going ahead to apply this highlight properly. So I'm just going to apply it now on her forehead, the tip of her nose, chin, and everywhere else. Next, we're going ahead to use the setting spray. You guys, this is very important because this removes all the powdery look from the face. And yeah, we are done. This is the finished look, you guys. Thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you watched the video up to this point, you're a real MVP. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give the video a thumbs up. And yeah, this is the outcome of the shoot. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.